So ayan, maraming salamat po doon sa Christmas party.
Supporter.
Yes.
Ano sa ko kayo? Babay.
Good day. Good day sa mga live band for closing marks. Sila nang bahala rito. So this is Miss Brix Sillenberg here on my official page, and I would like to thanks by the Toledo City Joyful Mayor Joy Perales and the City Councilor Mr. Ami Boy Perales. So have a nice day and thank you so much and good night. Maraming salamat po. This is Miss Brix Sillenberg. Like, comment, and share po sa hindi pa nakaka-follow sa akin.